Hi folks, Tony from Staccato. Now let's get started with the Staccato XC. We're going to start off with disassembly, cleaning, reassembly, and lubrication. The Staccato XC is equipped with the Dawson Precision Toolless Guide Rod Recoil System. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you have no ammunition in the area. You want to make sure there's no magazine in the magazine well and the firearm is clear. Pull back on the slide, visually inspect that chamber, then point that gun in a safe direction, squeeze that trigger, and allow the hammer to fall. Disassembly we're going to do in a series of steps. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the slide from the frame. Pulling back slightly on the slide till you line up the slide stop takedown notch with the slide stop. Remove the slide stop. Once you remove the slide stop, you remove the barrel assembly from the frame. Once you've separated the barrel assembly from the frame, again, have the bottom of the slide facing skyward. You'll then apply pressure on the rearward portion of the recoil guide rod, pushing it forward and then engaging the locking bar on the Dawson Precision Toolless Guide Rod System. You'll then remove the captured system and ensuring to place it in a safe direction because it's under extreme pressure. You will then move the barrel link into the downward position and remove the barrel out of the front of the slide. Now that you've completed disassembly, it's time to clean. Focusing on the high areas of carbon collection, such as the feed ramp, the bottom of the barrel, and the frame. In order to remove carbon from those high carbon collection areas, you want to use a nylon or stiff brass brush and a cleaner. Once you've done that, you're going to take a rag and wipe down the outside of all of the parts, removing any dirt, debris, excess cleaner, or lubrication. You'll then take a Hoppe's bore snake and run the brass end through the barrel in the direction of flight of the bullet. Now that we're done cleaning, it's time to reassemble. Starting with the slide, with the bottom of the slide facing skyward, you're going to ensure that the barrel link is in the down forward position. Insert the barrel into the forward portion of the slide. Then move the barrel link into the up position. Insert the Dawson Precision Toolless Guide Rod System. Push forward on the rear of the guide rod, releasing the locking bar, and then ride the guide rod back to where it intersects with the back of the barrel. Turn the slide back toward that the bottom of the slide is facing down. Barrel link is in the down position. Then create the relationship between the slide and the frame. Continue to move the slide rearward until you see the barrel length through the slide stop holes in the frame. Then insert your slide stop pin in the slide stop holes. Pull back slightly on the slide. Insert the slide stop completely in the frame. Now that we've reassembled our Staccato XC, let's perform a functions check. You want to pull back on the slide, cocking the hammer, and engage the safety. Point the gun in a safe direction, attempt to squeeze that trigger, the gun should not fire. Then disengage the safety, point that gun again in a safe direction, squeeze that trigger, and the hammer should fall. Now that we've performed our functions check, let's begin with lubrication on our Staccato XC. First thing you want to do is place a bead of lubrication here at the forward portion of the barrel as it intersects with the slide. Lock the slide to the rear, place a few drops of lubrication on both sides of the island and a few drops of lubrication on the recoil system. Flip the gun over, place a few beads of lubrication here in the right side slide rail and the left side slide rail. Vigorously cycle the slide to deliver that lubrication into the fine working parts. We're going to wipe off the excess. Now you're ready to head to the range. For more information about Staccato, visit staccato2011.com.
For more information on any of our Hoppe's products, visit hoppes.com.